Good morning and welcome to PointScribe. I'm Gail Richards and I welcome the opportunity to introduce our product to you. PointScribe is an interactive handwriting system that teaches students of all ages and abilities the proper way to form letters. It teaches the proper start and stop points for letters and the proper stroke sequence. And it does this by using interactive visual, auditory, and experiential cues. When I bring the ball to the glove and successfully make the A, I go on to the next letter. If I try to do the letter improperly, or I go off the line, PointScribe will stop me and bring me back to where I started. Everything that you see on the screen and hear on the screen is completely customizable. Right now you're looking at PointScribe set up as perhaps a young child would use it. I can go into my control panel and very easily change everything. I can bring the size of the letters down from full screen to almost pre-writing size simply by clicking on a menu. I can turn off the negative sound that you heard, so that if a child would be distracted by that or discouraged by that, we can take it out completely. You could hear a female voice announcing the letter before and after. I can turn that off. And I can change the theme from sports, perhaps, to something more general like animals. Also, the colors are very easy to change. If you are working with a student who has visual issues, you can go ahead and change and make the contrast much better. Now we run the lesson, and you can see how quickly those changes were put into play. One of PointScribe's most popular features and useful features is our user-created library, and that allows you to take a blank palette and input anything you might like. For example, with a beginning student, if you wanted to teach the simple concept of left to right, top to bottom, you could draw a simple maze, you could save it, and that now becomes part of our user-created library as it recorded the movement of my hand. I can pull up that lesson really quickly and easily. And I'm going to show it to you at a bigger size. And what I'm going to do is turn this exercise into something that might appeal to a little boy by adding a vehicle theme to it. And now suddenly, instead of a boring exercise, I have a racetrack maze for a young student to do. And it's that easy and that fast to customize. On that same vein, you could also teach a young student to write their names. My blank palette allows me to put guidelines on the screen, and I'm going to write my name in cursive. PointScribe is recording my hand motion and my stroke sequence. I will save it. And then we can apply the same characteristics to my name as we did to the maze or to the first letters that we looked at. And by that I mean I can easily change the colors. I can change the size. And I'm going to just turn the theme off altogether and pull up my name. And then there's a lesson that teaches me how to write my name. Behind everything that you see here, in addition to the ability to change the size, the sounds, the different ways that you interact with PointScribe, there's a very robust data management system that allows you to track student progress for IEPs, evidence-based teaching, parent-teacher reports, and activities like that. So all in all, it's very flexible and very adaptable to the needs of the particular student and the particular environment that that student may be in. And I will show you again how easy it is to change things. I'm going to go in and change the colors yet again. And there you go, that's PointScribe, and I hope that you'll visit our website at www.pointscribe.com. We have a wonderful video that's always running on our homepage that shows you all of the great features of PointScribe, and we also have video tutorials there to show you how to use those features if you're interested.
Thank you very much.